Hi moms, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to use a manual, non-electric breast pump in a simple and comfortable way. This breast pump is completely hand-operated. There is no motor, no battery, no electricity, and no tubes, which makes it quiet, lightweight, and very easy to use, perfect for home or travel. First, hold the breast pump comfortably in your hand. Make sure it feels secure and relaxed in your grip. Gentle hand pressure is all you need. There's no need to rush or squeeze too hard. Now, as you operate the pump, you can see how the milk is collected directly into this clean milk bottle. The bottle attaches easily and stays stable during use, helping keep everything neat and hygienic. Using a manual breast pump gives you full control. You can pump at your own pace, adjust pressure easily, and stay comfortable throughout the process. This type of pump is especially helpful if you prefer a natural, quiet, and portable solution without relying on power or batteries. Always remember to clean the pump and bottle properly after each use to maintain hygiene and safety. Thank you for watching. I hope this demonstration helps you feel confident and comfortable using a manual breast pump. Take care and see you in the next video.